so that we can walk and talk and breathe, okay? Because I need to give you guys updates, and we need to be able to share the information, because obviously, you remember who I am. So basically today, I'm just walking so I could talk to you guys. And breathing. I haven't eaten, like most times I don't eat. And I've been on OMAD since 2019. But sometimes I run, sometimes I walk, sometimes I crawl, right? I've been doing all this for a few years already. So I want to continue to share that information, because then you get to understand how I'm doing it. And it's not just for me, guys. I've been doing it for the world. I've been doing it for you, because I care about you. I want to see you get out of the house. I want to see you do things, okay? Stop using a cane. Get out of the damn wheelchair. The moment you get into one, that's it. You surrendered yourself to that fear factor. But just trying to share my love with you guys, and talk to you all about how to do it, right? Oh, okay, so today's Tuesday. Tomorrow we're going to have a meeting, guys, private Zoom meeting for the convoy, because we're going to have a convoy in March. I believe it's March 20th. So stay tuned, make comments, guys. We're going to be discussing all the routes that we're going to be taking, and how we're organizing it, how we're going to be sharing it. So please make comments. Even if you don't live in Illinois, check out my Telegram channel. Check out Children's Health Defense. Check out the White Rose, Illinois. And what else are we doing here? And SAT Media, SAT Media. They're all like-minded people, guys. Seriously. We all love nature. We all love to love each other. We respect each other. We're peaceful. And we're done with the lies, guys. We're so done. The moment we're done is when everybody stops complying, right, guys? So that's why we need to show people how we heal, and share your information down below. After I make the video, I'll try to post some links down below so you can easily access them. All right, guys. What can I tell you? Well, I didn't choose to be on another breathing fast, guys. Life just chose me, that's all. Y'all, I got a big mouth, huh, guys? Oh, that's because I love y'all. And I know the truth. And I'm not going to keep silent. I'm going to keep speaking up, I'm sick of it. I think you're sick of it too. I have a sister. She doesn't speak to me. Just like Dr. Buttar doesn't have family members speaking to him. He's the most censored doctor. And I'm on Advanced Medicine with him on the Awaken-Tv. And we're on Clubhouse. And I'm also being followed by a lot of the big doctors, guys. Yes, because I did present a lot of information on shedding. So I have met so many people, and we've compared our healing protocols, and it looks like they just wrote everything after I said it. So I'm just saying, of course, obviously I explain things non-scientifically, right? I'm all about God and the truth, the creator, the source, the law of attraction, guys, the positivity. That's what it's all about. It's that energy. And I'm tired of having my energy robbed. Okay? So that's why I'm doing this. Recharging with the sun and the air. And it just aligns me. Just puts me back into a wonderful alignment, guys. And I wanted to talk to you guys because I'm also distancing from this phone, guys. I mean, if I feel the frequencies affecting me, I know how to take care of myself, guys. But do you? I mean, I've got so many things. Right now, obviously, I'm talking on it, but after 6 minutes, you just fried the area that you're holding it on, you know? I mean, do your own research. Check out 5G research, side effects, how to heal. I don't want to make this video about that. I just want to make sure that you guys know where we're sharing information. I'm basically only on YouTube, Telegram, Clubhouse. Clubhouse, I'm on with Advanced Medicine with Dr. Buttar. He's had Dr. Northrup on there as well. I know the recording where I spoke about the shedding, I know she's on that one. You might be able to find that one under the Awaken-Tv, or if you are a private member like me, IADFW, International Association for a Disease-Free World. So I'm on the private Telegram on that one as well. And I'm also on with the children's and on Clubhouse as well. So I'm just letting you guys know. Go to, what was it called? Oh my goodness, I can't think right now. I'll post the links below later. But there's the one COVID events where we're sharing all of that information. So if I post that on Telegram, it's because we're either they're presently live, so you can join in, and sometimes we discuss what events we're going to be having, or anything that needs to be filled out, like witness slips, any information that can be shared between all the United States, not just this state here in Illinois, but we need to be vocal so that the entire world can share it, because you don't know if so-and-so has a brother or sister or an uncle that lives here. So even if you share it, they can share it, pass it along. All right, guys. So how long am I going to be on a breathing fast? I don't know, guys. This video is not about that. This video was just about me getting on here, letting you guys know that those people that have received the, you know what, got me sick, right? A couple times. But that's all right, because I know how to heal myself, guys. You got to learn how to do it yourself. And I mean, I have a lot of faith, so I'm just saying, put your faith in your own faith and just do it, you know? Stop eating every single day. Okay, this isn't how you should start a fast. I'm just saying, cut something out of your life, guys. Cut out the chemicals. Cut out the preservatives. Come on. Cut the shit out. I'm sorry. Oh, well. I'm just saying. So, what else can I tell you? Yeah, I got an event coming up, guys. I really don't know anything about it, but it's called Freedom Initiative for Illinois. I don't know. You guys can look it up. And hopefully we'll see what happens. I'm just enjoying every single day of my life, enjoying whatever comes my way, because that's the book of your life, right? Just be happy. You know, there is a website, 24 hours of just be happy, right? I'm just saying. If you don't know how to be happy, go find your happiness. Go love yourself. Go take a bath, guys. Yeah, I haven't actually taken a bath. Can you believe it? And I'm all about spiritual baths. And I haven't even done one. But I did a special treatment on my hair again this week. Yeah, so I didn't feel like I should be taking a shower or bath or anything, especially if I'm going for a long walk like this. A breathing fast with so far no food. I did have some water, but that's about it. Water, did I have? Yeah, not even lemon water, not even baking soda. Yeah, I didn't even do baking soda today, guys. I only did, should I cross the street? Yeah, I better. I only did vinegar. I balanced my water, but I just ran out of my water. So I'm going to have to go to the store after this and go get me some water. Yeah, I like to make my water, but I ran out. Anyways, what else can I tell you? Any other updates? Oh, please share your information. If you're in Illinois, please, guys, please make comments below, because like I said, I am sharing this big time, guys. I know you've seen our events, but my phone is getting jammed up. My honey doesn't want to pay for extra storage on my phone. I need some help. He doesn't like that I'm still on vacation, guys, even though, you know, I got my little side business with the oils. And I'm not going to ask nobody for help. So I'm just saying, if you want to help me, fine. If you don't, fine. I'll figure a way. I don't really care. So he said that if he hands the money over to me, that I'm going to spend it all. So I got nothing right now, guys. I'm just saying. Oh my God. I'm actually negative in the bank account. I don't know. I'm just saying. But I do sell oils, so you can email me if you like some oils for healing. If you need any assistance, we can work something out. Don't worry. Be happy. I'm not out there trying to hustle nobody. In fact, actually, I'm thinking I'm going to be bringing some oils to this event on Saturday, if I could figure out how I'm going to come up with $40, first of all. But I figure God's going to put that in my lap. So, I don't know. We'll see. Because I'm actually 67 plus 15 in the negative. So, I don't know. I'm just saying. But yeah, what happened is I ended up finding some money, guys. Well, that money's gone. But I'm wondering if somebody will make me an offer. I'll give them some of my coins. I do have coins. Make me an offer, email me or something. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I know God is good, and He always provides. And if I don't get something, eventually it comes when it should come, right? Because I'm not the bad one, guys. I didn't do anything bad to anybody. And the thing is that when you understand your own life and how you step up as a chosen one, and you get attacked and things don't go your way, or whatever way you want to call it, but eventually God puts you up another level, guys. So if you're able to withstand all those pressures, like, you don't even know what's going on in my life right now, how life-changing my life has been, okay? And I'm just sick of watching people be sick. I'm sick of watching people believe all the lies. And that's why I have to share what I'm sharing, because I've seen the proof. You know, I told you guys I went to the conference, so I saw the proof over there. And My honey didn't. Oh, well, let me shut up. But you know, I got a big mouth. So I can't deny that not everybody is on the same like mind, right? We have haters out there, guys. They don't see through it, but you know, I tried to juice my honey. I tried to juice my family, and one of my siblings got my mother back on medication. After, you know, come on. I grounded with her. I did a lot of grounding work with my mother and reversed all her disabilities from all the strokes that she's had, including mine, you know. But what do I know, right? I'm just a holistic healer without an actual degree, but I was born with my love and light energy. Why do I have to get a degree if I know how to take care of myself? I'm just saying, if you're a light worker, speak up, guys. Speak up. We're tired. We are so tired, and they cannot lie to us anymore. So, yeah, so please share and like and try and subscribe or unsubscribe and subscribe again. And if you don't like my video, it's because you don't understand what I'm talking about. Your pineal gland is dirty, people. Clean it up. Take the chemicals out of your life. Take all the crap out of your life, right? Haven't I been telling you this? You can't hear the truth because you're so contaminated. Oh, well. All right, guys. I didn't want to make this a long video because I want to make sure that you guys understand that I'm still here for you guys. I still love y'all. And you see, I got nobody. I'm home alone. I got nobody. I got a stalker now. I'm just saying. But I guess sometimes I got to accept a stalker. I don't know. I'm just saying. And, well, I could say I got several stalkers. No, but this one is half across the world, guys. I'm just saying, I love you all. I'm not trying to hate anybody, and I don't want anybody to say any bad things about me, because in reality, once you meet me and I give you a hug and a kiss, you're going to feel that hug and a kiss, guys. And when you see me dancing out there in the streets, that's because I have so much love in my heart. And God has been protecting me and keeping me caged up like a bird, guys, right? For the past 3 years. But I'm busting out of the cage now, guys. I'm busting out and speaking up. I'm not going to be, you know, silenced. And what else can I tell you? So, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to go to the Advanced Medicine Conference in San Antonio, Texas this year, guys. But it is Memorial Day weekend, and I'd like to go there again with my oils and gift any oils again. If anybody wants to listen or anybody wants to go visit me, I believe I'm going to go. But obviously, if God doesn't pay me, then I guess I'm not going, because like I said, my honey's got all my money. I got no money in the bank. I got food in my fridge, guys, and I'm still happy. I don't need food, though. I just need air. Oh my goodness, air. I love air. Yeah. All my local friends don't even speak to me no more. They're traitors, guys. Some of them are still working in healthcare, and I've heard so many bad things about them right now. Anyways, if you need any help, I'm here for you. Make some comments. I love y'all. God bless.